Hello and good afternoon. Today I'm here in Cocoa Beach, Florida. Now I'm standing in front of Ron Jon Surf Shop, but I'm not here to talk about Ron Jon, even though there is a secret parking garage that you can park at and go to the beach completely free. Normally, if you park really close to the beach, you do have to pay, and it can cost up to $20. I'm gonna show you where to avoid and where to park so that we can save the money. Right next to Ron Jon, you're gonna find Hernando Lane. A lot of this parking over here is reserved parking for Ron Jon for 90 minutes. And you don't wanna stay over 90 minutes because you might be ticketed or towed. Then past the 90-minute parking, they do have paid parking, but that's not the parking that's gonna save you the money. The road you're gonna be looking for is Marine Lane. You should look for the big Starbucks sign or the 4 Points by Sheraton, the Cocoa Beach Surf Company. Right next to these tikis, this is where you want to turn to find the parking garage that gives you the free parking. Right next to the Starbucks is where you're going to find the parking garage. That's where I've parked to come to the beach today. A good thing is that there is showers here so you can rinse off all of that sand that you got throughout the beach. But you'd follow this driveway. You'd make a left-hand turn where it says parking and exit, but you follow the parking signs. Now I know what you're thinking. Normally there's signs on a parking garage saying you cannot park in the parking garage and head over to the beach, but this is the opposite. There's signs saying enjoy the beach, and it's open 7 days a week. Now they're really smart because if you take the elevator or stairs, they do come out to 2 different locations, and then you have to exit to go out to the outside and head to the beach. If you take the stairs closest to the beach or the elevator that's closest to the beach, you do end up in Starbucks. It's actually really smart because a lot of people would need their cup of joe. I'm gonna end there later and show you what it looks like. Right past the Starbucks sign is where we're gonna head over to those 2 double doors, and I'm gonna show you where it takes you. You can kind of see or get a hint of what we're walking into. Right past the sign that says welcome, you'd go inside the double doors, head into the elevator, and that's where it would drop you off into a gift shop. When you hit the one with the star, this is where it drops you off. They're really smart when it comes to their advertisement. It drops you off right in the gift shop. I don't blame them. That's where they can get a lot of the tourists' money, but we're gonna go outside those double doors right there. Right when you come outside, all you have to do is make a right past the Starbucks, and that's where you're gonna keep continuing your journey over to the beach. It's not that far of a walk, maybe only like 5 to 6 minutes, so it's not bad. The parking right next to the beach is $5 per hour. My friend told me he paid $20 to park until about 5 o'clock, which is not too terrible, but why not save the money? We can continue down the concrete sidewalk here over to the bridge and show you what the beach looks like. And we're gonna follow this boardwalk over to the sand. Oh, this is a nice day to be out here. The breeze feels incredible, the sun's out. It's a nice 80-degree weather, sunny day. And here is the beach. This is how close you can park without paying. Like I said, it's not that long of a walk. You can save the money. Sure, you can park really close and pay the $5, but you could always save it and spend it on like lunch or just getting souvenirs. Now I'm gonna start making my way back and showing you the Starbucks exit of the stairs and the elevator. Now when you exit the elevator or you exit the stairs, they both come out right here, right to the door where you can actually go out to the beach. But this is the Starbucks where you can come get your coffee, relax a little, especially after a long day at the beach, or get your coffee before the beach. And I just got my coffee, so I'm gonna be sitting here for a little while enjoying my coffee. But I'm surprised that that parking garage is not utilized as much. I've only seen a few cars go in and out. There's a lot of spots open. A lot of people are paying when you could save the extra money and just come over, use the parking garage all day. Of course, you can't park overnight, but you can use it for the whole beach day that you want to hang out. But if you like today's adventure, learning on how to save money whenever you come to Cocoa Beach, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'll do other awesome saving tips just like this in the future, and I'll be doing other fun activities, showing small towns, different restaurants, small mom and pop stores. So make sure you hit that notification button so you get notified every time I come out with a future video. Otherwise, I will see you down the road.